Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to see how to install Event Driven Ansible on or let's say Ansible rulebook on our controller. So the most important thing is that you need Python, you need Java installed, so you need to install Java. Sorry, you need to install Java, which is quite simple. You can just search on how to install Java, and particularly the version should be greater than 17. Take note. So from there, you just create From there, just create a variable to reference the path to the Java file. And from there, we can install Ansible rulebook, Ansible, and then Ansible runner. So I'll just copy this. I already have my Java installed. So I'll just paste this. And as you can see, I have all of them already installed. So as you can see, I have everything already installed. So nothing to install for here. So we are good to go. And from there, you can proceed to the next video where we are going to actually test our Ansible rulebook with Zabbix Event Driven Ansible. Sorry, I'm not going too much deep into Ansible rulebooks. I just want to do something very simple with relation to or in relation to Zabbix and Event Driven Ansible. So in our next video, we're going to see how to create something small. We're going to see how to install the event-driven Ansible and collect it as a collection to our Ansible collections. And we also see how to get a simple playbook to listening to events for us to see. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.